Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Lincoln County in central Oklahoma, eastern Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a tornado-producing storm was located near Choctaw, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado and quarter-size hail. Tornadic debris has been confirmed by radar. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to